Good morning, everyone. Today we are having the school people leader elections in the Sunshine High School, which is located in Chandur. So this is the polling booth entrance. So just come inside. So we have the three officers here for the ladies polling booth. It's a separate column for girls and the boys. So we have three officers here. Mr. Nagamini ma'am, who can cross-check the identity card of the students. And next the officer like Swapna Mary ma'am, she distributes the ballot paper to the students. And the next comes Deepa ma'am, she does the edible ink on the index fingers of the students. So we have here the presiding officers, both of us, the correspondents are Kodi Venkana sir and Sushma ma'am here. And we have here the boys section. We have here three officers. One is for identification, Srinu sir, and the other one is for to distribute the ballot paper, Aditya sir, and the other one to give the edible ink to the students, Ahmad Ali sir. So this is the polling booth of boys section, where the ballot is collected from the sir, and the children go inside and they take the swastik stamp from there and they put the swastik stamp there, and they come forward to the presiding sirs and they put the ballot paper in the ballot box. And this is a girls column. Here we have a polling booth of girls. They go inside to this side and they done the same process. They stamp the swastik stamp on it and they come to forward here and do the ballot paper inside the box. So we also have some instructions for this. Children, when they're just going to have this paper, they will stamp here, whatever the symbol they are doing, they stamp on the symbol, and the process of folding the paper is not like horizontal. They have to fold it in the vertical process so that the stamp will stick onto the same person's face or the picture. So that if you're folding in horizontal process, the stamp goes to the other person. So this is a process actually. And now we welcome the children from the boys side and from the girls side who has stand for the positions for the school people leader. Now I welcome the boys of four of them to come forward. So we have here four boys who are standing for the SPL position here in the school Sunshine School. So the first person is C.H. Jagadish, and the symbol of C.H. Jagadish is bus symbol. And we have the second person, Bhavani Shankar, and his symbol is for kite. And the third person is Mani Verma, and his symbol is for the whistle. And the fourth person, V. Joel, the symbol of his what is like ring finger. The first girl's name is T. Siri, and her symbol is clock. And the second girl name is Madhusri, and her symbol is basket. And the third girl comes Sushma Swarakshi, and her symbol is iron box. And the fourth girl is D. Akshita, and her symbol is umbrella.